Hi, this is Victoria with healthmanifesto.com, and I'm here to talk to you about Venus in Pisces. And Venus is exalted in Pisces, which means it's at home in Pisces, it likes to be in Pisces, and people with this placement, they pretty much love everyone. They usually don't like to confine themselves to marriage or contracts, and they love everyone equally. Someone with this placement, if they were to get married, they wouldn't just get married, but they'd want to get married for love. And they often give to people that are underprivileged. They want to find peace and love with everyone. They often think that everyone is equal, and they're not usually stuck up, but they can be choosy and picky. They want true love and depth and sincerity in their friendships and relationships. They want to fall in love with somebody that they can connect with spiritually, and a man with this placement will have a lot of beautiful, caring female friends in their life, and people with this placement will look for someone who loves them for who they are. They can find it hard to relate to others in love and relationship. And they are really hopeless romantics at heart. This placement doesn't care as much about money or material gains. Their wealth comes through connecting with someone on a deep level. A person with this placement can give up on love because they think that that everyone is equal, and they really if they really want to be in love, it has to be like a really deep connection, a special connection. They can be very involved with music and can be very successful with music, and music can be very soothing to them. These people are really big dreamers, and they have a hard time finding that true perfect partner. They're often not satisfied in their relationships, and but they can really find beauty in the simplest things. And they love to buy the most beautiful things. They want to have the best life, and a big lesson for them is to learn to be satisfied and happy with what they have, because they really want the best, and they just really want to be happy, and they want others to be happy, and they really just want peace and love. And that is my analysis of Venus in Pisces.